Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. We have another IKEA product today with us, which is a plate holder. This plate holder keeps your plate from sliding around when you open or close the drawer. So these plates holder are simple yet a practical solution to keep your plates inside the drawers or the shelves in the kitchen. These are basically size adjustable. That means you can adjust this holder based on the plate size. When it comes to the measurement, it has a max width of 30 centimeter and minimum width of 22 centimeter. You can adjust the width of it, and it can withstand a load of maximum 5 kg. You can adjust the size of this plate holder easily. When it comes to the price, it costs around 529 INR and 6.30 USD. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time. Thank you.